Hi, this is John Camarianos. Welcome to a new edition of Capital Considered. Forgive my hoarseness. I have a bit of a cold, but I'm feeling well. It's Sunday night, January 11th. The big news is that the Federal Reserve is being investigated for a speech Chairman Jay Powell gave in the summer regarding building renovations, if you can believe it. It's no secret that Donald Trump wants Powell out of office. Trump thinks Powell has been slow to lower rates, despite the fact that inflation is around 3% above the Fed's target, which is 2%. Powell's term is up in May, but Trump can't seem to wait to at least cause him some trouble before he leaves. Powell himself made a speech tonight saying that he thought the investigation, which may lead to a criminal indictment, is politically motivated and is about whether the Federal Reserve will retain its independence to set interest rates in an effort to fulfill its mandate of price stability and full employment. The markets are having an interesting reaction. Gold is up. It's nearly $4,600 an ounce. Silver is up well over 4%. It was up 12 or 13% this year already as of Friday. It was up 140% last year. That's silver we're talking about now. Gold has had 3 straight years of strong returns. Stock futures are down this evening. The S&P 500 futures are down about 0.5%. So not dramatically, but I would say maybe the precious metals markets are screaming something that the other financial markets are not. I'm not sure what that means. I'm not sure if we'll find out which markets are right or if the metals markets will stop rising the way they have been lately. They usually rise, the precious metals markets, in the face of geopolitical concerns, disturbances, wars, instability, currency instability. We'll see if the price of gold and silver continue to rise while stocks remain stable. It's also worth noting the yield on the 10-year Treasury is stable, so the bond market doesn't seem to be indicating any disturbance. But that's the way it stands tonight on January 11th. We've had a busy week already with political events in the country, and this is the latest one. This is John Camarianos for Capital Considered, signing off. Thanks for watching.
No information on this podcast should be construed as investment, tax, or legal advice. This podcast is not an offer for advisory services or to buy or sell securities. Before making any financial decisions, consult with a qualified professional advisor who can assess your individual needs and circumstances. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and all investments carry risks, including the potential loss of principal. Securities discussed in this podcast may be holdings of the host or his clients.